Good day, everyone. Today, we will talk about study habits and time management. Good study habits help students learn and better and achieve their goals. Some example, including reviewing lesson regularly, taking notes, avoiding distraction, and studying in quiet place. This study improve understand and memory. Time management is also important because it helps our time wisely. By creating a schedule, setting priorities, and avoiding distraction, we can finish our tasks on time and reduce stress. When good study habits and proper time management work together, students become more productive and successful in school. They can balance their studies, personal activities, and rest more efficiently. Developing strong study habits and management time well are important skills and help students achieve academic successful and prepare for their future.
Study straight efficiency. Having a good study is help you understand lesson faster. For example, instead of just reading, try writing notes or explaining the topic in your own word. This makes learning more effective. Managing your time is very important. Create simple schedule and set specific time of studying, resting, and doing other activities. Also avoid distraction like using your phone too much while studying. Stay focused so you can finish your task on time. Remember, studying smart is better than studying hard. With the right strategies and proper time management, you can improve your performance in school.